Come on, Iver. Let's get on the KFC train and let's go get us some chicken. You want to go get some chicken?
Yeah.
Let's go get some chicken. You ready to fire this thing up?
Yeah.
Here we go. Let's blow the horn. He's getting ready to go. You ready?
Yeah.
Here he goes. The KFC train coming to a town near you.
Yeah.
You can see him. He's coming around.
Yeah.
Here he comes. That's Colonel Sanders. Here he comes.
Oh, look at that big.
You blow the horn?
Yeah.
All right, you blow the horn.
Yeah, let's get up first.
Here comes. All right, tell him bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.